Now that we have gone through the different types of machine learning problems, the question is, what do we use to solve them? Remember that all machine learning does is find patterns that define an input to an output. There are different types of algorithms that we can use, each bring their own benefit and drawback. Each is ideal for a different type of problem. So let's go through a couple of them. As always, this video has simplified topics. It is designed to expose you to key ideas and concepts. It's based on my own experience and personal views, and I would recommend doing further research yourself. The first algorithm is logistic regression. It is a supervised classification method and works well on smaller datasets. It was developed in 1958 by David Cox, a statistician. It works similarly to what you may have seen in high school maths, with the equation y equals mx plus b. It tries to find an algorithm that defines the best equation of a line. In this case, we are trying to split the red from the green. This is a form of machine learning. We can try different lines and measure which gives us the best result. The next one is a decision tree, which I'm sure many of you have seen before. It uses logical if branches to define how data is split. This again works well on smaller datasets. For example, if a value is greater than x, go to the left branch. If it is less, then go to the right branch. This idea can be furthered by combining different decision trees together. This model is called a random forest, first proposed in 1995 by Tin Cam Ho, and works better on larger datasets. Random forests can solve supervised classification and supervised regression problems. The next model is called k-means. This is an unsupervised algorithm and is used to find clusters. It groups similar data points when there is no predefined answer. This is a simple machine learning algorithm that iteratively defines the mean of groupings of data points. This model came about in 1967 when first used by James McQueen. The final method is neural networks. This is a deep learning algorithm. It is inspired by the human brain. It's made up of connected nodes representing the neurons and synapses in our brains. This model can be used for supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning problems. It is known as deep learning as there are multiple layers deep, as you can see. Neural networks have been around since 1943, but have only started to be successful in the last decade. This is as a result of increased computational power and data, as neural networks work best on huge datasets. Logistic regression, decision trees, random forests, k-means, and neural networks are just a small sample of the algorithms that a data scientist has in their toolset. In the next video, we will go into how a data scientist implements these models as they attempt to solve difficult AI problems. Thank you for watching. If you want more information, please use some of the links in the description. Feel free to leave a comment or question, and please subscribe if you want more content.